Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Swiss franc account Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Swiss franc is the currency and the legal tender of Switzerland and Liechtenstein. The Swiss franc is popularly traded in the Forex market against several other currencies, in addition to numerous Forex brokers who offer it as an account-based currency when traders register for a live trading account. Traders who are searching for some of the best Swiss franc account Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Swiss franc account Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. At number 4 on our list is Exness. Exness has a massive client base and over 10 years of industry experience, with several top-tier regulations behind its name. As an Exness client, you will have access to more than 100 Forex trading pairs, over 80 stocks, 13 cryptocurrencies, and 12 metals and energies. You will have the option of choosing either a standard account or a professional account, and each account offers favorable trading conditions, which are designed to accommodate different trading needs. If you are new to trading, you can find trading courses, market insights, webinars, and more on the Exness Academy educational website. With Exness, you can open a standard account, a standard cent account, a variety of professional accounts, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. Their standard account is a commission-free market execution account with stable spreads, no requotes, and great execution. Their standard cent account is a great entry account if you want standard conditions, but prefer to trade smaller lots and want to start with a lower capital investment. Their professional accounts require a minimum deposit of $500 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. These accounts are suited for more experienced traders and higher trading volumes. You can test your strategies using virtual money in a risk-free demo environment, or open a swap-free account, which is suitable for clients of the Muslim faith. Their platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Exness web terminal, and the Exness mobile application, which are supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Standard accounts are suitable for beginners, and the Help Center offers answers to some of the most commonly asked questions about using certain trading tools, managing accounts, analyzing charts, and more. If you require more in-depth guides, webinars, and market insights, you can visit the Exness educational website to find content based on your level of trading experience and to access the Exness Academy. Exness welcomes beginners and professional traders, offering flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and a wide range of trading instruments that can be traded on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, or with the proprietary Exness application. Coming in at number 3, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. At number 2 on our list is Alpari International. Alpari is an FSC-regulated Forex broker that offers flexible accounts, plenty of educational resources, and support for MetaTrader 4 and 5. This broker was founded in 1998 in Kingstown and has secured the trust of more than 2 million clients worldwide. There are currently 8 head offices around the world, and Alpari has grown into one of the largest global brands in the Forex industry. As an Alpari client, you can trade a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals and CFDs, and there are more than 250 tradable instruments to choose from. You can start trading with as little as $5 when you open an account with Alpari, and your trades can be leveraged by up to 1,000 times your initial deposit amount. With Alpari International, reduced negative slippage rates are guaranteed, and requote rates are incredibly low, even when the markets are volatile. Not only is Alpari a great option for beginners, but we would also recommend this broker if you are interested in copy trading, or if you would like to be a strategy manager for other traders. Alpari offers standard, micro, pro and ECN accounts that are suitable for all types of traders, from beginners and copy traders to retail traders and professionals. All accounts can be funded using US dollars, euros, Great British pounds, or the Nigerian naira, and the lowest minimum deposit requirement is $5 on the MetaTrader 4 account. Their standard accounts are commission-free with instant execution guaranteed, and they can be converted to swap-free accounts for Muslim clients, and spreads start from 1.2 pips. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. You can also use the Alpari application to easily manage your trading accounts, trade your favorite instruments, and monitor all your trades from one screen. Alpari is a great option for beginners because they provide plenty of trading guides, tips for successful trading, guides on Forex trading strategies, and much more. There are also online workshops and webinars that are conducted by trading experts, and you can read the articles provided to gain more insights into Forex trading and what it's like to be a trader. With over 2 million clients trading on Alpari servers, you can rest assured that you will be trading in active markets with deep liquidity and many opportunities to make a profit. Alpari guarantees low slippage, minimal requotes, and instant trade executions, so you will always be ahead of the game with this broker. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Swiss franc account Forex brokers, we have IronFX. IronFX is a prominent online Forex and CFD broker, recognized for its comprehensive range of trading services and solutions. IronFX is committed to providing traders with a dynamic and secure platform to access the financial markets. Catering to both novice and experienced traders, IronFX is dedicated to transparency, innovation, and providing clients with cutting-edge technology to ensure an exceptional trading experience. They offer a diverse range of market instruments, providing traders with ample opportunities to explore and invest in various financial assets. These include Forex, commodities, indices, futures, and shares. By offering a wide array of market instruments, IronFX empowers traders in South Africa and beyond to explore diverse markets, manage risk effectively, and seize trading opportunities in the ever-changing financial landscape. The broker presents a compelling array of bonus promotions as well, designed to enhance the trading experience for its clients. And these bonuses can encompass a variety of offerings, such as deposit bonuses, trading rebates, and other attractive incentives. The specifics of IronFX's bonus promotions may vary and are subject to terms and conditions, Therefore, traders are encouraged to visit the website to stay updated on the latest promotions and to review the associated terms. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. INFX is also dedicated to providing a robust set of educational resources to empower traders in South Africa and beyond. These resources are designed to help traders, whether they are newcomers to the world of online trading or seasoned investors, expand their knowledge and refine their trading skills. They offer a wide range of topics, including comprehensive market analysis, trading strategies, risk management techniques, and trading psychology insights. Traders can also access articles, webinars, video tutorials, and other informative materials to deepen their understanding of the financial markets. By incorporating these resources into their trading journey, clients of INFX can enhance their skills, improve their trading strategies, and work towards their financial objectives. And those are some of the top 5 best Swiss franc account Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.